Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. If it's your first time on my channel, my name is An, and if you have been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you my favorite go-to glam look. So whenever I have a special occasion, this is the look that I'm going for. Sometimes I use a few different things, but this is basically it. So we're just gonna dive right into the video. I did my brows off camera. I do have a brow tutorial which you can find on my channel. Then after doing my brows, I first always prime the eyelids, and look who just woke up from a nap. My son Clay. Isn't he the cutest? He's almost 9 months already. Like, time is going by so quick. You can see at his face, he's still a little bit grumpy. Whenever he just wakes up, he's not the happiest baby. But yeah, I just really want to put him more often on my channel, because how cute is this to look back at in a few months and years. But yeah, after using eyeshadow primer, I set my whole eyelid with a little bit of powder. And the palette I'm going in with is my Sigma palette that I created together with Sigma Beauty. And I'm going to start with the color 10. I'm going to blend this all the way in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner. And whenever you see my mouth like moving, it's because I'm talking to my son. He's playing right next to me, so I'm just kind of keeping busy while filming. You gotta do what you gotta do. If you guys still want me to do videos, this is just the way I have to do it, because at daytime my man is working, so I have to kind of like find ways to do it. But then I went in with the color Glaze, and I'm going to use that for the inner corner of the eye. It just gives a really nice bright pop in the inner corner, which I really like. Then I went in with this Jelly Much eyeshadow from Colourpop. I used it in the color Mystical. So this is a gel eyeshadow. It's this kind of like jelly consistency, but what I really like is that it's really long wearing, and it gives this beautiful sheen to your eyelid, which I think you can get it with eyeshadow, but I just feel like this is just a little bit extra. I really like the Jelly Much eyeshadows from Colourpop. I would definitely recommend, and I've been using them often on my channel because I'm just a big fan. But now I'm going to go back in with the color 10, which I used all the way in my crease, and now I'm going to blend this all the way underneath the lower lash line. So I'm just taking a Sigma flat definer brush, and I'm just going to blend this all the way underneath the lower lash line. So first, kind of like applying it, sweeping my brush back and forth, and then I blended it out. Then I went in with this copper pencil from Charlotte Tilbury, which just suits perfectly with today's eye look. And then after that, I went for a quick wing. I wasn't really sure if I wanted to go for a wing, but just to keep it real on a regular base, when I want to do like my favorite kind of go-to look, I do go for a wing liner, just because I feel like it just adds that extra. It makes my eye shape different, and I feel like it suits my face at best. But if you recreate this look and you're not into a wing liner for whatever reason, you can of course skip this step and just go straight to the next step, which is mascara. So I'm going to go in with my lash curler from MAC Cosmetics, and then I went in with the Benefit Cosmetics Roller Lash Mascara, which is one of my favorite mascaras. I will go in with false lashes, so I'm kind of keeping I'm not applying too much of the mascara because I will cover it up with fake lashes anyway. But I went in with these lashes from House of Lashes, and I'm also using the House of Lashes lash adhesive, which is really nice as well. So I'm gonna pop them right into the center of the eyelid, and I'm using a tweezer to apply them. Let me know how you guys apply your lashes. Do you use a tweezer, or do you use like a special lash applicator? I always use a tweezer, and I also use my hands. It kind of depends. Like, I do my left side different than my right side. I don't know if you guys do that as well. Then now it's time for the face. I use some foundation. I use the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation, which is a really nice drugstore foundation, which I absolutely love. I'm gonna apply this all over the face, and the brush that I'm using is from Sigma as well. I'm using mainly Sigma brushes because it's just my favorite brand, but this is the F47 multitasking brush, which is such a good foundation brush. Then I went in with the Tarte Cosmetics face shape, what is it called? Shape Tape Concealer. And I'm going to use my finger to blend it in. I mean, you can use a beauty blender or a sponge or whatever works best for you to blend in your concealer, but the downside is that it will kind of like make the concealer less thick, because whatever applicator you're using will grab some of the product. So I'm using my finger, so no product will go to waste and I will get maximum coverage, if that makes sense. So then I set my face with some translucent powder, and then I went in with this cookie highlighter from Benefit, which I love so much. If your skin is like a deeper complexion than mine, it might look a little bit ashy on you, but if you have like around the same skin color or lighter as me, I think you will love this highlighter. Then I went in with some blush. I used the Rosy Glow, oh no, not the Rosy Glow, the Winter Kiss blush from Kylie Cosmetics. And then I went in with this lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury, which I believe is called Iconic Nude, if I'm not mistaken. Then I went in with this gloss, which is from, let me check real quick, it's from Gucci. It's in the color 3268. It's a beautiful kind of like nude pinky color. Absolutely love it. And then here you have the finished results. I really hope you all like how it turned out. Let me know if this is a look that you would wear for a special occasion. It's kind of my go-to, even though I do wear something different on my lips. It always changes day by day. But the eye look and the face products is my go-to. So yeah, let me know what you think of this look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see more full face videos, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching and hopefully see you next time. Bye guys!